So I'm going to read each character first, and I want you to repeat after me in a loud voice so you will get used to the sound of each character. Okay? Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So the first character we're going to study is ka. Ka. Okay. So right now I want you to imagine this character being a big wide bladed knife. Okay? So can you imagine a big wide bladed knife in this character? So if not, I'm going to draw it for you.
Guys, just a disclaimer, I'm not good at drawings, but I will definitely try my best to show you what I mean, okay? So this is a big blade knife, okay? So this is the handle, right? Okay, that's the handle. This is the wide blade, okay?
I don't know with you, but for me, it looks like a knife. Okay? And then this is maybe a piece of meat or vegetables or something that it's about to cut. Okay, so this is a knife. A knife. And it's gonna cut this. Right? This is ka.
Got right. I don't even know how to write properly the Hamaji, so I'm sorry.
Okay, so this is ka. You imagine this cut. Ka. 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 Cut. Ka. Okay. A knife that cuts. Ka. Okay.
So just remember this as a knife cuts. Cuts. Okay.
So how are we going to write ka? Okay. So the first stroke is slightly upward, and then slightly curved, and then brush up. Okay. And then a line. And here also there's a line. Okay. So this is brush up. This is stop and stop.
So again, first stroke is slightly upward, a little bit curved, brush up, and then a horizontal line. Okay? A little bit slant also. And another small line here. Okay?
So our next character is ki. Ki. Okay. So I want you to imagine that there's a key inside this character. A key. Like susi. Okay? Okay, let me draw it for you.
So this is key, right? Cute little key. Like that. This is the handle. Okay. This is a key. Guys, please imagine this being a key. Okay? So this is read as key. And this is a key, right?
So notice how a key resembles the character ki. So just imagine that there's a key in the ki character. Okay? So, paano ba isulat si ki? Okay. First is slant stroke, little shorter than the second one. Okay? And then slant downward with brush up stroke. Okay? And then a little bit curved. That's ki. So the here is stop and stop. This one is brush up and stop. Okay? So again, short, long, slightly curved, brush up, and curve again. Okay? Okay, so our next character is ku. Ku. Okay, so I want you to imagine that this is a big mouth of a bird saying ku, ku. So just imagine that this is a mouth of a bird. So like how? Okay.
Look at this. Isn't this the cutest bird or chick or whatever? I mean, this bird went to the salon for 4 pieces of hair, 6 pieces of nails, and put a lot of red lipsticks on. You know, I mean, she said she did a lot of preparation for this appearance, so please, no judgment, okay?
Okay, so our little chick right here is super ready to tell you how she deserves to be here. Okay, so imagine this little chick, her red lips saying, "Cool, cool." Okay, so this is ku, 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 ku. Okay, so let's practice to write ku, ku. It's just one stroke. That's it. That's it. Again. So our next character is ge. Ge. Okay. So I want you to imagine right now that there is a man holding a cane. Ge. Cane. Okay. So like how? Okay.
So again, I'm gonna draw. Imagine this is a man. Okay, there's a man right here holding a cane. This is a cane. Okay. Okay, can you imagine a man holding a cane?
Cane. Ge. Okay. So just imagine a man holding a cane. Okay. So how to write ge? Okay. So the first stroke is a little bit curved downward and then brush up. And then horizontal line and again a little bit curved and then release the pen like that. Okay. This is brush up. This is release. Again. Brush up, line, then release. Okay? So our next character is go. Go. Okay. So I want you to imagine this character as a coin. Okay? Barya. Okay? This is a coin. Okay? For example, this is a 100 coin. Okay? This is a coin. Ko. Ko. Coin. Ko. Okay? So how to write ko? There's 2 strokes here. 1, brush up, and then stop. Okay? It's a little bit curved, guys. Okay, again. 1, 2. So a teng looks like this. A simple line parallel to each other. Okay? So just by simply adding teng to this character, from K sound, it becomes G sound. So from ka, it becomes ga. Ga. Okay? As simple as that. So again, let's add teng here. So from ki, it becomes gi. Gi. Okay? So let's add teng. From ku, this becomes gu. Gu. Okay? So let's add teng here. And it becomes ge. From ke to ge. Ge. So write some teng here. From ko, it becomes go. Go. Okay?